Alright guys, today I have a little funny job. So I'm doing a ignition, where is it? Ignition cylinder lock or lock cylinder, whichever word comes first. And look at that. I kind of did some stuff that I didn't need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through it. Damn, I don't know why I did all that. So basically, you kind of need to get this panel to a point where it just flexes up just a little bit. And what I mean by that is, so I yanked the dash over here, which was by 2 clips, it's not that hard. And took some stuff off, and then there was a nut over here. I just want to get it to the point where you can just move it like this. Removing these were completely unnecessary. The only thing is, there's a light over here that goes behind it, like that, inside. I already removed it. And all you got to do is just pull on this, and then just... You see my finger right here? Where is it? My finger. God damn it. Right there. You got to use it to, like, pull on it like this or push on it, and then you can just fish it out from here. It's going to be a little funny, but I am telling you, you do not need to remove all of these that are removed. Possibly just this. And that's it pretty much. And in order to remove the old ignition right here, so you basically need your key, and you need to spin it to the right. And if you go over here, the reason why I'm telling you, I did all the extra stuff because I thought this panel was removable. Now, anyways, do you see, where's the hole? There is a hole right here, this small hole, this. You put a 90-degree pick tool in there, and you hold on to the key. And when you press it, you just pull on the key. It needs a little... wiggling, and then it comes out. So yeah, I don't know why I did all of that. I thought this panel was removable, but this is part of the dash. Just some shitty Toyota engineering. And yeah, it's actually not as hard as you think it is. As I said, no need to remove any of these, nor the duct, nor none of that. I disconnected some stuff that I thought I had to, because I thought I was dropping this so I can expose that, but I didn't. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to record everything putting it back, but let's see.